Assalamu alaikum. I am Soma Syed, a Democratic nominee for Queens County Civil Court Judge. My election is borough-wide, which means anyone and everyone who is a voter of Queens can vote for me. We just finished our third day of early voting. We have another 6 more days until October 31st. And the last day to vote would be on November 2nd. And November 2nd would also be the last day to postmark or bring your absentee ballot to the Board of Election in your respective borough, meaning in Queens at 118, 13 Queens Boulevard, Forest Hills. So little bit about me. I've been practicing law for almost 18 years. I'm the immediate past president of the Queens County Women's Bar Association. My work, my volunteer work, my pro bono, my community work have been recognized by the governor, public advocate, now attorney general, and many city, state, and federal level elected officials, as well as I was recently awarded power lawyer for my work. But what I've done is I've set aside about 30% of my private practice time to do pro bono, volunteer, and charitable work. And I will be the first Muslim judge in Queens. And we need representation. And the only way we can bring that is through the election of diverse representative judiciary in Queens, in our city, in New York State. So it's so important for fair and impartial justice to have people who look like you to sit on the bench, someone to speak up for you, someone to raise voices on your behalf. So that's why this election is so important. I'm requesting all my brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles to come out and vote because your vote matters. In the primary election, I was able to get almost 100,000 votes because of you. Let's make over 200,000 vote in the general election, because guess what? A Democrat, a Republican, a conservative, or unparty person can vote, anyone. So please come out and support me, Soma Syed. I will be the first Muslim judge in Queens, and I need your support. I need your prayers and duas. And it's voting time, so come out and vote. Thank you so much.